In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Brevo email in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sending newsletters, sharing important documents, or just want to provide your clients with valuable content, attaching a PDF can be a crucial part of your email strategy. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate over to Brevo's website. Brevo is a fantastic platform for managing your email marketing campaigns, but it does require you to be online to access its features, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once you're on Brevo's homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't set up your Brevo account yet, you'll need to do that first. For those who already have an account, go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's always a good idea to keep your password secure and possibly consider two-factor authentication for added security. After logging in, head to the Campaigns section. This is where you'll create a new email campaign. Creating a campaign on Brevo is pretty straightforward. You'll see an option here to start a new email campaign. Click on that, and you're all set to get started on crafting your email message. Now, as you're designing your campaign, you'll need to look for the Sending and Tracking section. This is a vital area because it's where you can manage the attachments and track the email performance. Within this section, you should find various options. Here you want to focus on the attachment options, as this is where we'll be adding our PDF. You'll notice a checkbox labeled Add an Attachment. Go ahead and check that box. This is a critical step because it activates the attachment feature for your campaign. Without checking this box, you won't be able to proceed with adding your PDF file. Next, look for the Select a File button. This is where you'll bring in your PDF. Click on it, and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Locate the PDF file that you intend to send with your email campaign, select it, and confirm your choice. It's always a good idea to double-check the file size and attachment policies to ensure the PDF meets Brevo's requirements. After you've added the PDF, it's important to save your changes. Saving is crucial because it ensures that all your settings and the chosen attachment are retained for the campaign. You wouldn't want your work to disappear, especially after putting effort into creating your email content and selecting the right documents to attach. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Brevo email campaign. This simple yet effective process can greatly enhance the value of your communications. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips to streamline your email marketing efforts.